Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can prevent TikTok from showing when you've read a DM. So if you don't want anyone to find out if whether or not you have already read their messages, you can just turn off the read status. So what you need to do here is just go to your profile and find the settings and privacy by clicking on the three lines icon at the top. This is the settings and privacy. Now just tap on the privacy options in here under the account section and scroll down until you find these direct messages settings. So as you guys can see here under the message preferences, there will be this read status. So if you turn this on, people can see when you have read their messages, and they will know when you read their messages only when both of you turn this on. So what you need to do to prevent TikTok from showing when you've read a DM, you can just turn it off until it turns gray like this. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.